This is the One Rule Challenge, where I have to follow one simple rule for every single photo that I take today. Let's find out what it is. Alright, so today we are just using the Velvia film simulation. Now I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to find a Velvia film simulation recipe from Fuji X Weekly, because I think that will be a little bit better than just shooting plain Velvia. So let me quickly do a little bit of digging, see what I can find, and set that up in my camera, and then we'll go out for a shoot using just the Velvia recipe. So this is going to be a little bit different for me because Velvia is honestly probably one of the recipes that, or the film simulations that I use the least. I just don't typically gravitate towards it. And I think part of that is I'm colorblind, and in the past when I went out to take photos, I would really saturate my photos and have a lot of contrast and really intense colors. And I think a lot of that was me making up for my deficiency in the colors that I can see. So I think I got a little bit scared of it, and I think I started to pull back on saturation and things like that. So I'm going to head to Salem / Marblehead, Massachusetts, and get some photos there. We have a decently warm day. It's 39 degrees out. It's going to be the best of the probably next 2 weeks. So let's head over to Salem and let's go take some pictures. All right, so the first stop we came to was Marblehead. We're up in Marblehead Neck, and we got this nice lighthouse. It's kind of a weird lighthouse. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but I'm gonna get some shots of it and just kind of poke around here. We got, looks like high tide. It's a little windy, so hopefully you hear my voice without too much noise. And yeah, let's take some photos. Expected. Whew. This is chilly out here. See why no one's out here. It's cold. It's definitely colder than I realized, but it is what it is. It's going to get a lot colder here in New England over these next few days. sure most people in the US see that we have a pretty major snowstorm, or winter storm I should say, that's going to hit basically the entire East Coast. So if you're watching this and you're in one of the southern states, I know that can be scary. A lot of ice headed your way, so stay safe. Folks in New England, you're used to it. It'll be fine. I hope it's a little warmer in Salem. I mean, it's only right across the water, but hopefully there's a little bit less wind, because that was chilly. My fingers and toes are already numb, so not a good sign for going out to take photos, but it is what it is. Completely unrelated to this challenge, something about System of a Down that I compare it to like Taco Bell. It's like a guilty pleasure for music for me. As a teenager, I went to Taco Bell a lot. I listened to System of a Down a lot, and I forget about them for a while, and then I remember them, and yeah, I don't know, there's something about them that I just really, really enjoy, but I'm kind of embarrassed to admit it, much like Taco Bell. I don't know. Anyways. So I don't know if you can see it, but down at the end of this jetty, there's a tiny little white lighthouse. So I'm going to walk down to that. Very different than the one we just came from. It's definitely not much photograph down here, but we'll go for the little stroll. See if we can get a decent shot. If you're wondering why my ISO isn't going lower than 640, that is because of the dynamic range I have set on the camera. So I think right now it's set to DR400, I believe, which then results in the minimum ISO being 640. So if you're wondering why I'm not going any lower, that would be why. Pretty soon, all of these rocks will be completely covered by snow, because we are expecting about at least 6 inches, maybe even a foot of snow. Some nice lighting right now. I guess that's the good thing about winter, is you don't really get a high noon. You just kind of always get a bit of a golden hour type vibe, the low sun angle. The most annoying part of coming out and doing this in the cold weather, and I noticed this from the first video I did, is the sniffles. After I take a picture, almost every time, I do a little nose sniffle, and I don't want you to listen to that. That's not an enjoyable sound to listen to. So I'm trying my hardest to be more conscious of the sniffling in these videos, but you know, sometimes you forget. Friendship is not looking very pretty right now with all that wrap on it. But what can you do? Some kind of shot that's not terrible. I may crop this one in so that we get rid of all the lackluster boat, ship, whatever you want to call it. And real quick, if you're liking this video and this concept, please subscribe. Certainly helps out the channel. But yeah, that's all I have. Let's get back to it. Interesting. These windows on the bottom aren't windows. They're just boarded up. I think they're renovating this place. I've spent many days, hours in Salem during the on season, during the off season, peak season, any season. It's certainly nice to visit in October when obviously all of Halloween is happening, but crowds are everywhere. It's nice to be able to walk around. Amazing someone's out here playing music. Take a picture? I don't have any cash for you though. Perfect. Thanks, man. Enjoy your day. Have a good day. Yeah, you too. Take care. Does seem, obviously, with Velvia being a more saturated film simulation, it definitely seems to work well with sky and bricks and things like that. Someone is cooking bacon right now. I wish it was me. I don't know what your political views are, but it's not a bad one. The downside to coming to Salem in the off season is many of the shops will be closed. I don't know if these ones necessarily are, but... Alright, I think that is going to do it for today's challenge. Had a lot of fun. It was a little bit chilly, but not too bad. Using Velvia was cool. I haven't looked at all of the photos yet, but from what I saw on the back of the camera, they looked pretty sharp. Certainly contrasty, certainly saturated, but, you know, for doing stuff like street photography or going out to nature, things like that. I think I'll probably start working this into my catalog of recipes and film simulations a little bit more. But yeah, that's going to do it for us. If you like this, be sure to like and subscribe. There's going to be more one rule challenges coming your way very soon. So thank you for watching. See you next time.